Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog if you guys are new to the channel or stopping in for the first time. My name is Ryan. I will be your host for today's adventure. Today we're here at Circus Circus giving you guys a quick walk through here. So we will take you down to the casino floor here. Go ahead. Thanks. So to give you a little bit of history about the Circus Circus, this actually opened October the 18th in 1968. It has 3,773 rooms. The initial build cost was $15 million, and it is owned and operated by MGM Resorts International. So I'll bring you down here to the casino floor, guys. Now, if you guys know Circus Circus, it is famous for the Adventure Dome. The Adventure Dome is like the little arcade, like amusement park in the center of this glass dome. It's for mainly kids and stuff like that, but have seen adults in there too. So we'll take a quick walkthrough of the casino floor here at Circus Circus. There is West Side Deli over here, so if you're hungry or need a bite to eat for breakfast, that's a good spot to stop for that. The West Bar, or my bar I should say, is right over here to the right. It's always a good spot. They have in-station gaming there, so if you want to pull up for a drink, play a little bit, it's a great spot to do so. Looks like they got some slot machines sectioned off for some tournament play here. So up over on the right hand side here is the restrooms over by some of the gaming. Some progressive penny machines over here. 27,000 you can win off of betting some pennies. So they got a little shoes shop over here as well. Over up towards the right, there's shopping. The buffet is over up here as well. Some more restrooms straight ahead. If you're staying here, over to the right, kind of show you that is guest elevators. So right down there is where you'd go for your floors and elevators here at Circus Circus. Like I said, over on the right is the Circus Circus buffet. So right now they're doing brunch from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Adults $21.99, kids $11.99. They have bone-in ham as their special on that buffet, which does sound delicious right now. Now the casino floor here at Circus Circus is not the biggest. One of the things that it's more renowned for is going to be the Adventure Dome, so we can definitely take a step up towards the Adventure Dome and check that out for you guys. If you guys need any souvenirs or anything for your kids, this is the place to stop. Souvenir shop, little toy center and stuff. So I'm going to take you up to the Adventure Dome here so you guys can all see that Adventure Dome. And I'll take you up towards the hotel lobby first though. So if you guys are staying here at Circus Circus, this is where your check-in area is. It's going to be right up over here and to the right. Little shops and stuff as well. So this is the hotel check-in here at Circus Circus. If you're staying here, this is where you go to check in. Then they have the West Tower elevators up over to the right as well. So that's a new check-in area here. Then we will take you up to the Adventure Dome. So if you're looking at this and you have kids and you're coming to Vegas, I'll show you where you can bring the kids for some entertainment while you get some adult entertainment downstairs. Now, don't recommend leaving kids up there. It is kind of wild. I mean, they do have security, but it's one of those things. I wouldn't leave my kid anywhere in Las Vegas by themselves.
Now I'm confused. You said like
Upstairs is the Adventure Dome. I love how you can tilt and stuff with this camera. It's my favorite part. So I'll kind of take you up here. There's a bunch of shops and stuff up here, so if you want to check out any of the shops, you definitely can. So that's always a place to come shopping and stuff. There's a bunch of gifts and things like that up here. The pool is up here. They have some places to eat as well. But this is the Adventure Dome right up here. So here's the Adventure Dome. It is open today, Saturday, and well, today is Saturday, Sunday, and on Friday as well. So let's kind of take a walk through of the Adventure Dome, and then we will end off with our quick tour here of Circus Circus for you. So there is this big mountain thing. It has a roller coaster all the way to the top. I'll take you guys kind of around here in Circus Circus. It's not as busy as it is. I know they've been working on doing some upgrades and stuff here, so that's why it was closed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But it is open for the weekend, so if you are coming here and you are staying at Circus Circus, mainly I'm guessing that you're staying with kids, but you know, not here to judge. It is a cheap place to stay. Cheap places are always a good bucket list to stay in Las Vegas if you're looking on a budget or trying to get here quick. I did hear that the creator of SpongeBob died, so I'm sure that ride is pretty popular. As with anything, it seems like when people pass away. This filming is done on my Note 9 as well as the Osmo Mobile 2, so if you guys are wondering for camera gear and equipment on this one, that's what we're using. Zoom H1 and Rode Video Micro are actually it's a Smart Lab Plus I have with me today. video micro I left at home with my DSLR camera, so didn't bring that with. I figured I'd just try and use the phone and see how everything went from there. Arcade games and everything back here. That roller coaster looks pretty fun too. Now it makes me want to go to an amusement park. The painting on the wall is pretty cool over here. They had laser tag back there. In the center, they kind of had a little cafe thing too. Like the dinosaur painting themes up over on the left-hand side there. That's pretty cool.